welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on YDECIDD 100% human hair wig. It's a kinky straight V-part wig. So what that means is it's giving sewing, it's giving tape-ins, because my leave out is out. So yeah, you already see what it's giving. You see what time it is. It was so easy to put on, but just stay tuned for the review. I also wanted to show you guys the inside. So it has 5 clips. Let me find out, I can't count. Then it has 2 on the side. So like if you have braids, so you would do like so I would do like a middle part and then do braids this way. And then I would just clip the braids here, and I'll have my little leave out here so that way I can do my edges. And then use the other clips up here and clip here. So, but I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. On the left is the hair that has been straightened with the flat iron, and the right side is how the hair comes in the kinky straight condition. The hair did get pretty straight. It doesn't get completely bone straight, but it definitely matches. Like if you have a 4C texture, it's a great way to like match your hair without damaging it. The ends of the hair were pretty good. It's not like really thin, but it isn't like a natural density. So if you want like a very full wig, this is more of like a natural density. So this is me trying on the wig before I do my braids. I just wanted to make sure that I had enough parting space. I don't recommend just doing a low pony with this. I would definitely recommend doing braids for protection. All right, so I basically did like a V-part braid in the middle. And I did my sides right here just enough so that I can have like some edges out and I can brush it back and still do like a little bit of leave out. I mean, a little bit of edges if I want to, or I could just slick it back over the wig. So it has clips in it. I'm just gonna take the clips, the 4 clips. I'm gonna start with these, I guess these 2. So they just snap like this. You just pop them. Boop, boop. So I hope I left out. Right, so it's gonna take the 2 combs in the back and snap those in right about there, and the ones in the front. So that's pretty much how you snap it in. So it's clips right here on the side too, or a comb. So I'm just gonna tuck that into my braid. So you can leave this like as a ponytail style if you want to, or you can kind of like if you don't want to leave your ponytail. So I feel like when I had the ponytail in the back, it was kind of bulky, but now you can see like it looks like flat, like a sew-in. So I'm just gonna secure it on the other side. So let me find the comb. And the reason I did braid it is so I could just have a little extra security, and I didn't want to put it right here on the front of my edges, just so I don't have like a lot of tension on my edges, because I already do wigs a lot, so you know. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my leave out, my little braids that I have for my leave out, smooth that out, and then blend that over the sides of the edge, the edge of the wigs. So as you can see, it's already giving like sew-in vibes, or like silk press vibes. It's already giving. Let me just tuck the bottom of the wig underneath my braids. Oh yeah. All right, so now that I got the wig secure, see I still got my V part. I snapped it in. I left out my edges, so I'll just straighten my edges and then kind of smooth everything out. But then this way, like if it blows back, you know, you're still covered. So I'm gonna straighten out my edges. Make sure you use heat protectant when you're straightening out your edges. Be sure to use heat protectant. Y'all better stop playing with her. This is 18 inch. This is definitely giving natural. Oh, I just grew my hair out, and I ain't even pressed out my roots yet, but like it's already giving. It's my hair, and I just took out my weave. It's giving tape dance. It's giving natural sewing. It's definitely giving. Listen, before you put any flat irons, hot combs on your hair, make sure you use heat protectant. I'm using Silk Essentials, the thermal strengthening serum. So this is gonna strengthen your hair with heat. And I'm also, before I use the hot comb, I'm gonna use a wax stick just to protect my hair, because this is not weave. This is my actual leave out. And I like to do wash and goes with my real hair. And I like to do natural styling with my real hair. So I just wanna protect it and take care of it. And I'm trying to grow my hair out, so make sure you protect them edges, okay? Protect your hair, period. All right, guys, so I hope you guys love this look as much as I do, because like, as you can see, it's definitely giving. It's giving. It's nice and flat. It's nice and flat, but it's also like kinky texture. So like if it gets like a little fluff, like if your hair starts getting a little around a little humidity, like you don't have to worry about it, because the hair is kinky too. So it's like it's gonna match. It's gonna be okay. I should have tried the hair out without like the straightening first, like just to see how it matched. But I mean, you could tell it matches, but just to see like how it gives. But I probably wouldn't wear it in that texture. I probably would, you know, blow it out like this. I was thinking about like adding curls and flipping it back. I was also thinking about adding color, but I think it's just gonna be like my little natural Pocahontas little throw on wig. But I gotta make sure that, you know, scalp is scalping, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. Like as you see, it's giving tape-ins, it's giving sewing. It's a nice natural density. It's not like a 40-inch nothing. It's literally like a 20-inch wig, and it's cute. I'll show y'all the back just so you can see like what length it is. So it's like bra strap. This is an 18-inch, very natural. Loving it. Again, guys, this wig is from YDECIDD. This is the 18-inch kinky straight V part wig. There's no lace, and you can see it's giving natural. Make sure you hit that like button, because if you don't, means you're a hater. Yeah, but make sure you hit the like button, share this video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description in case you want to get this unit. And you know, you can always order custom units, colored units from me. Yeah, so you already know what time it is. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Leilani's Love. And until next time, peace and love.